So let's start our web page by going to the Build a Web Page button, the purple one. Then create from scratch, give our project a name, and then we can go to this page bit.ly/Andrew Express, and this is where we're going to find all the information to go on this page. So I'll put these in as a title, put my name in as a subtitle, click anywhere in the grey and select photo, and here I'm going to look for Scotland. Now you might not find the perfect thing that you're looking for, but if you go to something like St Andrew, you will find the St Andrew Cathedral in there. Now that's done, we can scroll down our page, and here I'm just going to select text, and I'm going to go back to our challenge page /Andrew Express, and that's where we can get this first section here. You can also get this page as a Google Doc if you need. You can see the button there, but I'm going to copy that, and then I'm just going to paste it in here. Now I'm going to change this into header 2. Could be header 1, but that's very, very big, so I'm going to switch that back to header 2. Click at the top there, header 2, and then I'm going to scroll down again and select split layout. Image on one side, text on another. So let's do these section by section. Let's start off with our Kayleys. Let's select text on the right hand side there. You can use header 1 here because it's a short sentence and that looks good. I'm going to copy that word Kayley without the S on the end, see what we get. You do get one, but to be honest, if you just search for something like Scottish dancing, you'll find a different one which is better, although you can just go to Google and find something there as well. Just make sure you attribute it if it needs attributing. Now that's in there, I'm going to click it and press focal point. I'm going to make sure I'm going to get the bagpipes in there. Click save. There we go. Just changes the how much of that photo you can see. Let's put another split layout in and get our next section about traditional foods. Copy that. Add an image. Now here, if you search for something like Cullen skink, you're not going to find that. If you search for something like haggis, you will. But like I said before, you can always just go to Google as well. Let me just paste that text in for now. Change it to header 1. Actually, that is very big there, but maybe consistent formatting means we'll keep these sections as header 1. But if you go to Google and search the thing you're looking for, go to images. Now, if you go to the little tools section, you can just see me about to hover over it now, and then you can go to usage rights along the bottom, just there, and then select Creative Commons. These are ones that anyone can use. This first one's great. I'm going to give it a click and then open it up fully. And then I can download this one, just making sure that I'm going to get that attribution, just to make sure that the photographer is going to get the credit for this work. I'm going to save it to my computer, go back to my web page, and then I'll replace by clicking in the haggis photo, upload my own photo in here, and then I'll just show you now so you know, but if you go to share and go to publish to web, there is a little section for credits, and you can paste in your attribution in here to make sure that your photographer is going to get the credit they deserve. Because when you do it within Adobe Express, it automatically does it for you, but here you'll need to put it in yourself if you're getting it from Google. Okay, scroll down again. We're going to do another split layout section. It'll be text on the right hand side and short text again, so header 1 is fine here, and I think I'll look for something like kilts. That's a good one there. You've got lots of different patterns there, which I think is great. And then I'll go down to glide show. Now glide show is much more suited to chunkier bits of text, I think. So this one, so who was Saint Andrew? Well, he was going to be, he became one of the disciples of Jesus Christ. So in terms of a photo that we could use for this section, if I put disciples in there, we've got a recreation photo here of the Last Supper. I'll put that one in. That's great. Next, we're going to get this section here. We're looking for an X symbol, which appeared in the sky, a symbol of St. Andrew. So let's go to St. Andrew Cross and look at this. This is perfect. You can get one of the first results here is a Creative Commons image which you can use with attribution. So let's download this image. I haven't downloaded the larger size, just the medium size is fine. Let's make sure I'm going to get the web URL for that page as well, so I can put that in later. Now I've got my 2 photos for my glide show. I can click save in the top right. There we go. And then I've got these text boxes which I can move to be in different parts of the image. I'm going to put this one in the center, paste in this Sohu was St. Andrew text, make it all header 2, maybe separate it out a little bit so we can see it's a question and an answer. Yeah, maybe making that one bigger looks good too. And then I can scroll down, it will glide into my next section, which is great. And then here, maybe I'll move this box into the center as well. But let's grab the text first. This is all about the kind of the origins of him becoming the Scottish patron saint. And we'll pop in our text here. And I think maybe this is too big for header 1, so I'll keep it in this header 2. And then my last section is going to be a split layout here as well. And I think in terms of text, I can copy this text here. I'll search for thistle in the image search bar here. I think I'll just go for something quite nice and simple. So there's one on a white background up here. I think I'll use that one. Now that I've completed my page, I can scroll all the way to the top here. And then I can check my page to see whether it's doing what I want to do. And the way I think is best to do that is to go to this play button here. You can use your left and right arrows to scroll through each section, making sure the formatting is consistent, the images sit how you want them to sit, and the glide show glides very nicely from one to the other. And when you're happy with all of that, you can press escape to come out of that, and then you can press share, publish to web. Add in any attributions here that you might need. And then click create a link. And then once this is published, you can share that to Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams.